Hello students, today I am continuing with exercise 3.4. Last lecture I told you how to find HCF by short division method. In this we will find the HCF by long division method. This is the next method. In an exam, if they have written long division method, you have to use the long division method. If short division method, you have to use the short division method. If prime factorization method, then you have to use the prime factorization method. This is the third method, long division method. 252, 576. Now here what to do? Which is the bigger number here? 576. It will be the dividend here, and this 252 will be the divisor. 252 will be the divisor. So what is 252? 2's are, multiply and see it. 2 2's are 4, 5's are 10, 1, 2's are 4 and 1, 504. So 252 2's are 504. 272. Now 72 is the remainder. Here we are having no digit in the dividend. Now you will make this divisor as a dividend. Now this divisor will become the dividend here. See the difference? First you have to divide and write it, find the remainder. Now no digit is in the dividend. So you will shift this divisor and make it a dividend. Now multiply it. 72 3's are. 3 2's are 6, 7 3's are 21. Now see, 2 3's are 216. Subtract it, 36. Again we are not having any number. Now this divisor, it will become the dividend here. We will continue it until the remainder comes 0. We will continue it until the remainder comes 0. 36 2's are 72. 72 minus 72 0. Now we got the remainder 0, which is the last divisor, that is 36. So HCF will be 36. All of you understood? First you will take the bigger number as dividend, smaller number as divisor. Divide it, remainder you have got it. Now no number is there. You will shift this divisor and make it a dividend here. Then again divide it, again remainder. Shift this divisor to dividend, and answer now remainder is 0. What is the last divisor? 36. That is the HCF. All of you understood? Very easy. One more sum I will teach you. 141 1269. Now which is the bigger number? 1269. Which is a smaller number? This is dividend now. 141 is the divisor. Take 3 digits. Here also 3 digits. It is smaller, it is bigger. So you will take 4 digits together. Now you can divide it by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, 3, 9 ones are 9, 10, 12. 12, 16, we got the exact number. 141, 3's are 1269. What is the remainder? 0. So which is the highest common factor? That is 141. All of you understood now? Now if you are having 3 digits, how to find long division method in 3 digit? See here, 902, then 1394, 3321. First take the 2 digits, okay, which is the bigger number? 1394. So which will be the dividend? Now here it will be 902. 902 ones are 902. Because 3 digit is smaller, we will take the 4 digit together. If you multiply by 2, you will get 1800 something. 1804. But it is greater than this number. So subtract it. 4. Now again we are not having any number. This divisor will become the dividend. Got it? I think 492 multiplied by 2. 4 in 1, 4, 984. It is greater. So you will take 1, 492. Subtract it. 410. See here 2 minus 2 0. Take 1 from here. 10 minus 9 1. 8 minus 4 4. Now shift this 492. Again 401. 10 ones are 410. That is 82. Now shift this 410. I think 82 fives are 10 1 40 410. Yes. 5s are 410. Now 0 remainder. So what is the HCF here? 82. Now with this HCF, you will find 3321. Keep it 3321 as dividend. 82 here. 2 digits smaller. 3 digit you will take. 82 3s are 3 to the 6, 8 3s are 24. 4s are you can do 82 4s are 4 to the 8, 8 4 the 32, 328. It is okay. 4s are 328. 12 minus 8 4. Then 1 here. Now no number is there. Now shift it. 82 will become the dividend. 41 2s are 82. So which is the HCF of 3 digits? 41. Here also. Now we will write HCF of 902, 1394, 3321 is 41. This is the HCF of all the 3 digits. Students, first you have to find 82 digits and find the HCF. With that number, you have to find the HCF of 3rd digit. So that HCF is 41. All of you understood now? Now come to the next question. Reduce each of the following to simplest form. 102, question number 3rd, 102 divided by 119. How to reduce it? We have to find the HCF of these two numbers. 119, 102. Ones are 102, 17. Here 102, 17, 6 are. 6 are 102. First you have to find, students, HCF of these two numbers. What is the HCF here? 17. HCF is 17. You will divide it 102 divided by 17. Then 119 divided by 17. We have to divide numerator and denominator by the HCF. HCF is 17. Now you divide it. 17 6 are 102. 17 7s are 119. So the answer is 6 over 7. Got it? These all sums you have to do like this. You have to find the HCF. Then you have to divide it. Now come to the LCM. Now I will teach you how to find the LCM, means least common multiple. What is the full form of LCM? Least, yeah, lowest common multiple. Got it? Lowest common multiple. We have to find the LCM by prime factorization method. 108, 141. 108, 141. First find the HCF. I told you how to find prime factorization method. 254. You are not to take the bigger number. You have to take the prime numbers. Again 227. Then 3 9s are. Then 3 3s are. 3 1s are. 141. Again I think divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are. 3 4s are 12. 21. 3 7s are 21. Now it's not divisible by any number. 47 is the prime number. So what is 108? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now what is 141? 3 into 47. Now first you will circle the common number. 3 is common. In LCM, you have to multiply all the numbers. First you will write the common number. Then remaining numbers all you have to write in LCM. Got it, students? See here, 3 common. I have written 1, 3 you have to write. 2, 2 times. 3, 2 times. 47 1 time. And you multiply it. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 36 into 3. 18. 1 3 9 10. Then you have to multiply by 47. 7 8s are 56. 7 1s are 7. 8 4s are 32. 4 here. 6 7 10 5. 5076. Got it, students? Any problem here? No? Yes. This is the prime factorization method. Now next is division method. 28, 42, 80. This is short division method. 2 outside. See here, what is the difference between HCF and LCM? 14, 21, 40. Now students, here you can take 2 numbers common also. This is also divisible by 2. This is also divisible by 2. Take 2 outside. 7 2s are 14. 21 remain as such. 20. Then this is divisible by 3. You can take 3 outside. Not 3, 7. 7 1s are 7. It is divisible by 7. 7 3s are 21. Again 20 here. Now 3 is left alone. Take it out. 1, 1. 20 is not divisible. Write it as such. Now you will take 2. 2. 1, 1 remain as such. 10. Again 2. 1, 1, 5. Then 5. 1, 1, 1. In LCM, if 2 digits are divisible by 2, you have to take 2 common. The number which is not divisible, it will remain as such. You have to shift it as it is. Now these 2 are divisible by 7. Take 7 outside. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. Now 20 is not divisible by 7. It will be remain as it is. Now 3 outside. 1 will remain as such. 1, 20 as it is. Now 20 is divisible by 2. 1, 1, then 10. Again 2, 1, 1, 5. 5 left, 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM here? You have to multiply all the numbers. How many times 2 are there? 2 times 2. Then 7. Then 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 is 2 times 5. Multiply it. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 23s are 60. 67s are 420. 422s are 840. 842s are 1680. Again one time see the multiplication. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 23s are 60. 60 into 7. 420. 420 into 2. 840. 840 into 2. That is 1680. This is the answer. Got it all of you? This is known as the short division method. One more sum I will teach you here. Last sum. Then I will send the notes in campus here. See here, 48, 60, 84. See students, all are divisible by 2. 24, 30, 42. Then 2, 4, 12, 15, 21. All are divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are. Again 2, 2s are 5, 7. Then 2 outside, 1, 5, 7. 5 outside, 1, 1, 7. 7 outside, 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM here? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Got it students? You have to multiply all this number. 7 5s are 35. 35 2s are 70. 70 2s are 140. 140 into 12. 8, 28, 14. 1680. Again 1680. One time again multiply, we can see 70 to 40, 140, 14, 12. Yes. 4 is 8, 2 1s are 2, 14, 8, 6, 1680. With this, I have completed 3.5 exercise. In my next lecture, I will teach 3.6. Thank you, students.